Hello guys, it's Indoor Date Night here. In this video I will show you how to inflate and tie a double stuffed balloon. Okay, let's get right to it. Grab your bag of double stuffed balloons. All of your balloons will arrive pre-stuffed, so you don't have to worry about doing that. The point of double stuffing is really just to create a custom color. In this case I have combined two balloons together to create a truly beautiful romantic red. As you can see here, this is one balloon inside of another balloon. Okay, let's start the main event. Get your hand pump and begin to fully inflate your balloon. Hold the tip with your fingers, not letting any air out. You're going to want to take that inner balloon here, just like this. Just tie off the balloon like you normally would. This is what it will look like once it is fully inflated and tied. You did it! There will be a how-to guide instruction card, the steps to follow included in each of my boxes. Thank you for watching this video and I hope it helped in some way. See you on the next one.